In an effort to compete with the likes of Russia in the international energy market, the Biden administration on Thursday approved a permit for the Alaska Liquefied Natural Gas (LNG) project. The roughly $40 billion project involves the construction of an 807-mile, 1,300 kilometers, pipeline to move gas from northern Alaska across the state. It also includes a liquefaction facility on the Kenai Peninsula in southern Alaska, and is set to be operational by 2030 if approved. However, the approval of the project has drawn criticism from environmental groups who deem it a carbon bomb and have accused the Biden administration of failing to prioritize the climate crisis. Environmental groups have taken the stance that the approval of the Alaska LNG project is completely contradictory to the Biden administration's stated commitment to climate action. This is especially true considering it was the second approval for a fossil fuel megaproject in 2 months, following approval of the Willow oil and gas drilling project. To mitigate the environmental impact of the project, it is also prohibited from venting the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide associated with the project into the atmosphere. Project backers are of the opinion that Alaska LNG will provide the U.S. and its allies with a significant source of low emissions, responsibly produced energy that is consistent with international environmental priorities. On the other hand, some critics point to the fact that an expansion of LNG terminals on the Gulf Coast would keep carbon emissions above the levels necessary for net zero. It's clear that the approval of the Alaska LNG project has sparked a clash between advancing energy exports and pushing meaningful climate action. Despite the protestations of environmental groups, project backers are adamant that the project is necessary to compete on an international scale. It remains to be seen how the Biden administration will navigate this difficult terrain and attempt to strike a balance between advancement in the international energy race and meaningful progress in the fight against the climate crisis.